Sunset Leisure Iveco camper van, all finished, all its glory. Huge amount of work's gone into this. Alloys, tyres, respray, colour coding, decals from America, bug guard, sun visor, new calipers all round, solar panel kit, new roof light, Rhino roof rack, Land Rover spare wheel bracket, rear ladder. Just fantastic condition. Everything's relined. Everything's been completely relined. Toilet tent, generator, waste tank hookup. Fully colour coded. Exterior shower. Just incredible condition. Solar panel. Inverter. Heating. Hot water. Blown air heating. Microwave. Mood lighting everywhere. Satellite, TV, fan, inverter, 1240 mains hookup. Just superb. Absolutely superb. Table, levelling lamps, ramps even. Child's bed at the back. Slide out bed here. Just beautiful. Really pleased how it's come out. Put in the vents for the fridge. Everything's undersealed completely. Alloys, Oz alloys. All arches completely done. It's a service history for it. Thousands and thousands of pounds been spent. Reverse camera. Full Bluetooth capabilities for your phone. DVD player. Radio.
Next, how clean are your kids compared to celebrities' kids? Stay there, this is how. That's all I want. And I know
Kenwood amp.
that you're up tonight.
There we are, job done. Beautiful condition. 90,000 miles. There we are. A lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of effort. But just look at that now. Absolutely gorgeous. Advertised it for 21,000 and sold it to the first owner, first viewer. There we are. Concept restoration and Williamson Brothers.